Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide friends list on Facebook. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook application, and then in this interface at the bottom right you need to click on the menu icon. Then you will see this interface. After that, at the top right corner you need to click on the little settings icon. Here it is. Then you need to scroll down and find audience and visibility section, and then you need to click on the third option, how people can find and contact you, right up here. After that you will see different options. You need to find who can see your friends list and then click on the public button right up here. Then you will see these options. You need to click on the only me button if you want to absolutely hide your friends list. That means that only you will be able to see your friends list. You can actually choose specific friends and choose who can see your friends list, but I will stay on only me, for example. So, and that's all, and that's how to hide friends list on Facebook. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.